exciting new drive from Neta Control Techniques is our F600 pump drive. Control Techniques has always been in pumping, but our job now is to make pumping easy. We have removed the complexity usually associated with high-performance or general-purpose drives. The F600 has all the functionality required in pumping, including simplex, duty assist, multiplex, and makes it simple to set up. Critical features such as start-stop, wake and sleep, pipe filling, level switches, overcycle, no flow, dry well setup are built in with no PLC required. So what sets the F600 apart from the competition? Simplicity. The F600 was specifically designed for pumping with a guided, no-charge software tool for easy motor pairing and pump setup. The F600 is designed for pumps starting at 5 horsepower all the way up to 4,200 horsepower. Control Techniques has pre-engineered NEMA 12 and 3R outdoor packages as well. It was specifically designed for pumping markets, such as agricultural irrigation with just center pivot, small-scale irrigation, municipalities and utilities, industrial processes, and even commercial OEMs. Further, it's backed up with a 5-year warranty to ensure reliability for your application. At Control Techniques, we are drive obsessed, and the F600 is the pump drive that can do it all with simplicity at hand.